sound that travels 3,000 miles and no one knows why it exists. Imagine hearing a sound that has traveled 3,000 miles underwater. Not a ship, not a machine. A single whale singing a song that can last 30 minutes and repeat for hours. Humpback whale songs are among the most complex vocalizations in the animal kingdom. But after decades of research, scientists still cannot explain why they sing. It is not what we assumed, and the real answer might be stranger than anything we have considered. Humpback whale songs can last 30 minutes and repeat for hours on end. They are not random noise. The songs have structure, with distinct phrases grouped into themes, arranged in a specific order, almost like grammar. Each phrase is repeated a set number of times before the whale moves to the next. Researchers have compared the complexity to birdsong, but whale songs are far longer and more layered. And every male in the same population sings the same song, note for note. Only male humpbacks sing. For years, scientists assumed the songs were mating calls, a way to attract females. But there is a problem. Females rarely approach singing males. In some studies, the opposite happens. Other males approach the singer, sometimes aggressively. So if it is not attracting mates, what is it for? Some researchers think it could be navigation, a way to map the ocean using echoes. Others suggest it marks territory. The honest answer is, we do not know. Low-frequency whale song travels incredible distances through water. Sound moves 4 times faster in the ocean than in air, and at the right depth. A phenomenon called the SOFAR channel traps sound waves, allowing them to travel thousands of miles with almost no energy loss. A single whale song can reach 3,000 miles. Before the era of modern shipping and engine noise, whales could potentially communicate across entire ocean basins. The ocean was their internet, and we filled it with static. Whale songs are not fixed. They evolve over time. All males in a population sing the same version of the song, but it changes gradually throughout the breeding season. New phrases appear. Old ones fade. And here is the remarkable part. These changes spread like cultural trends. Researchers tracked a song originating in eastern Australia that spread eastward across the Pacific, reaching French Polynesia over several years. Each population adopted the new version, replacing their old song entirely. It is one of the largest documented examples of cultural transmission in any non-human species. If this surprised you, subscribe to Curious Science. Next time, we are exploring why we have allergies.